Following Jesus on your daily walk. Following Jesus means to make him the Lord of our lives, to obey his commands and emulate his example. It means to put him first in all things and to seek his will for our lives. When we follow Jesus, we are choosing to walk in a way of love, compassion, and humility. We are choosing to love God and loving others, just as Jesus did. Following Jesus also means to take up our own cross and to deny ourselves. It means to die on our own desires and to put Jesus and his will first. It is not always an easy path to follow. There will be challenges and obstacles, but with Jesus we can overcome them all. He promises to be with us always, to guide us and to give us strength. He also promises to give us a peace that surpasses all understanding. Today's scripture comes from Matthew chapter 16, verse 24. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "If anyone would come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me." As we follow Jesus, we will be transformed and become more like him. We will learn to love as he loved and to serve as he served. We will also become more aware of our need for Jesus and his love and grace. Let us choose to follow Jesus today. Let us put our faith in him. Let us obey his commands and emulate his example as we walk in a way of love, compassion, and humility. Thank you for listening to Your Daily Walk, and be encouraged.